Look at the state of this door. I mean, who knows what's on it, but if you slapped on a standard undercoat, that old stain, dye or whatever it is would absolutely show through and ruin your finish. But are all stain blocking primers made equal? Let's find out. The four on test are Ronseal One Coat Stain Block, Dulux Trade Aqua Uni Primer, Crown Trade PX4, and Zinsser Bullseye 123. You could sand back to bare wood, but to really put these primers through their paces, we've only given the door a light sand. Enough to key the surface, but leaving the worst of the original stain in place. Dust off, clean up, and then wipe the area down with white spirit. Oh, by the way, all four primers we're using are water-based. First up, Ronseal One Coat Stain Block. Anything claiming one coat always raises an eyebrow, but let's give it a fair go. It applies fine, but opacity over this dark colour isn't great. Next, Dulux Trade Aqua Uni Primer. There is an immediate improvement in coverage, opacity and flow, as you can see here. Then we've got Crown Trade PX4. Opacity is similar to Ronseal, but to be fair, it's not sold as a one-coat product. Finally, the stain-blocking veterans, Zinsser Bullseye 123. It's not bad at covering the dark stain. Zinsser products do cost more, but equally, they do win on coverage. And here they are, fully dry. All four have stopped any bleed-through, but Dulux Trade Aqua Uni Primer is the clear winner for opacity after a single coat. The other three would definitely need a second coat of primer or undercoat before your top coat. Hope you found that helpful, and if you'd like more advice, our paint and wood finishing experts are on 01303 477 555, and all the products tested are available for next day delivery at woodfinishesdirect.com.